Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Hope you're good. Hope you're popping. Hope you're doing well. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to make my hair. Not in today's video. This morning, I'm going to make my hair. This video is a vlog, my birthday vlog. Okay. This morning I'm going to make my hair. And guys, I feel so drained making my hair. I don't like making hair. I'd rather carry the hair like this. Not like this because I know you asked me what's happening here, but wait, we are coming. I'd rather carry the hair like free and I'll do it myself than for someone to be drawing lines on my hair, just doing a lot of things on my hair. I don't like it. Please just leave in the comments if you're a family member, part of this group, okay? So, as I was saying, what is going on my head is what I don't know. I just have to put it like this so that it's not be kind of difficult for them to start partitioning and doing what they're supposed to do. And I hate braids, but I like it because the result is beautiful. Guys, come with me. It's going to be a fun vlog. It's your baby girl's birthday very soon. Maybe when you're watching this video, my birthday would have come and gone, but I'm going to show you what's gonna happen on my birthday. Okay, so guys, just stay with me, sit back, grab your popcorn because we're going on a long trip. Okay, and if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. See, here we make beauty and lifestyle videos. If you want to know how to do your makeup, popping makeups, just join join this family by subscribing, clicking on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. That's how you join. Okay, so guys, come with me, let's just do this together. Okay, I'll see. So guys, this is like 1 or 2 days later, and I know I've not come back to show you guys my hair and everything, but I'm going to show you in this clip. Okay, so this morning or today we are going for my birthday photo shoot. I actually want to go early because I don't want a situation where I'll meet traffic like I did in Nkechi's vlog and everybody will be worn out, tired, and even the makeup self will be tired of you. So I want to do everything and make sure everything is okay and go there and come back and finish this thing, okay? So another thing is this, my acne. I've been treating it and I noticed that it's getting dried while before it was just fresh pimples, but now it's dry and it's now, after drying it up, it's now to take out the spots. So it's a process and I can't dull my birthday shine because of this acne. No. And if you know me, you know that what I enjoy most about my birthday is the pictures. Like, I love pictures a lot. As at last year, I got about more than 50 pictures. But please don't ask me where they are now because I actually kept them, okay? But if I look at them, I'll be like, why did I need to get 50 pictures and more? Why do I need to get it? Like, it's funny, but I just enjoy having lots of pictures. I enjoy taking, like, all those breathtaking pictures on my birthday. But this year I'm not going to do much, but I'll still just take a couple of pictures. Actually, I'm still going to continue with my process of taking care of my skin, my treatments and all. I'm still in the process, okay? And that's why I'm actually sweating or kind of looking shiny, because I'd already applied what I usually apply. So I'll just wait for it to dry, then I go ahead with my makeup. Okay, so for the hair, this is what the hair looks like. It's actually how do you call it, shuku? Yes, but it's very long. I don't know if I want to open it right now. I think people will see it. In short, you should have seen it by now in my Instagram, or not in, on my Instagram page. You should have seen it by now. If you're not following me, by the way, please do follow me at La Frances. It's gonna be on the screen. Please do follow me on my Instagram. So this is what the hair looks like. And let me bend down so you see it properly. I'll still show you later, okay? But what it looks like, this is what the hair looks like. I just tied this one up because, you know, after making shuku, they try to sew it together so everything can stand. So that's why it's like this. So but this one is just falling out and it's really long. Let me just try and show you guys. It's really long. You understand? It's reaching my waist. It's actually reaching my waist. So this is how my hair looks like. Okay, so I did my nails, but guys, I'm not even proud to show you guys nails. I don't fix because it kind of discomforts me and I don't like it. I don't like that experience, so I rather use my nails. If I fix, I'll never be able to do anything, like anything, even washing plate. I'll injure myself, so there's no point. So I just painted my nails white with my normal natural nails. I don't know, it looks beautiful on this camera. Wait, wow.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed.
So guys, I'm done with my makeup. Don't mind me, I'm just fooling around. I'm done with it and I missed makeup. Okay, I missed looking hot, I missed looking beautiful, I missed doing different things on my face. Anyways guys, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm done and I'm gonna be on my way pretty soon, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm at the studio, and as you know, we'll not be allowed to vlog, so I just like to vlog something before we get into the studio. Okay. So guys, we are done. Oh, I'm going home. I am totally tired, like totally tired. Well, I think I'll see you guys when I get home. To me, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. So guys, I'm excited. Today's my birthday. I'm just happy. I'm grateful that I'm alive. I'm happy for life. Like I'm thankful to God for life. Okay, so today I'm not really going to do much. Right now I am heading out. I need to get to church and thank God for my life. Okay, so I just wanted to come here and tell you guys that the birthday girl is ready. Okay, so let's go and see what today holds for us. Okay. I'm really sorry about the lighting right now. We're going to get cake and fish, and then we are also going to get drinks. We might get, we might not get, because we have zobo at home, a lot of zobo. We always make zobo in the house, so there are lots of zobo at home. So maybe we'll just drink zobo, I don't know. But we have gotten the cake and fish is coming, so it's enough. And I'm really overwhelmed, like I'm really overwhelmed. The show of love from every one of you guys. I'm gonna give you updates later, okay? I'm gonna tell you hi and what's up and what's happening, and we move. Hey, see the cup, very empty things. So this is my cake, fish, and this is fish, and we eat it. You want me to show them you? No. Okay, she doesn't want to come. She doesn't want to come on my channel yet. But don't worry, you will see her very soon. I'm not live. Am I dead? I'm not. Who's bad? Soprano.
Happy birthday. May the good Lord bless you. Bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
Uncle is waiting for cake.
Am I not funny?
Have we started? J. E. I don't understand though. S. U. S. So guys, I'm really happy this afternoon. This is the next day after my birthday. Let me put down this thing. The next day after my birthday. So my sister, she got me something. So she got me this stuff, and in here are shoes. So after she took care of my facials, she decided to spoil me with shoes. Okay, so I'll show you guys the shoes. She got this one for me first. See, actually I did not want to take this shoe because for my kind of person, I don't really take colored shoes. I just wear black, silver, gold, nude. I don't like wearing colored shoes. But this year I've decided to move out of my comfort zone and something different. So she gave me this one. I think it's too bright so you might not see it, but I think I may do a try on later, not now. So this is the shoe she got for me, and then this other one. I know some people might not like this one, but I think I like it. This black one is just everything for me. Like, see it, it's just everything for me. I like the patterns. Okay, just look at the patterns. I like the patterns on the shoe. Like I just love the shoe. My younger sister and my elder sister were laughing at me that why would I select this kind of shoe, that this shoe is mbeke, is a cake, it's not chic. But honestly, I love this shoe. Like, can you say this? It's so comfy. Like, you're not going to come and maybe you're moving on the road, you'll be doing like this, they'll be telling you, madam no follow, madam no follow. They're going to be telling you all those things. You're going to just be gorgeously moving your way. Okay, so guys, this is the end of my birthday vlog. Okay. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe if you have not. I really enjoyed filming this process. Since Monday, this is Saturday, I enjoyed filming it. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you did watch up to this extent, you are the real MVP. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you